Easy. Yep. Okay, girl. Well, at least it ain't your job.
Ah, shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
I can scrap, Arthur. I'm just not good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
Ah, you're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, huh? Real fucking funny.
Calm down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yeah, well, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, huh?
Grow up.
And let me come on the raid with yous.
Raid?
Don't be playing coy with me, son. It's unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has set up. What you're doing out here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
Oh, that. So Marston told you? It ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Now compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
Anyway, Arthur, what's your problem with me? In fact, don't tell me. I already know. You're threatened by me.
Threatened by you.
Yeah, my youthful vigor. It intimidates you.
Does it?
It's a story as old as the hills. The changing of the guard, the fading of the light. You're toast, old man.
Okay. And what are you?
I'm the future, in all its glory.
Oh, well, good luck. Good luck and shut up. I want to get some rest before nightfall. Wake up, you lazy son.
What are you doing here, kid?
I'm coming, John, on the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am, and it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses, love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen, let's go earn some money. Giddy up.
Hey, all the horses untethered?
Think so?
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon enough.
Apparently, picks up a new team of guards at the state line, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
See, this is what I mean. I disappear for a couple of weeks and you cut me out of all the action.
Just the action that requires a break.
Ha ha ha. You're a funny fella, John Marston. From what folks say, you had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new scar like you're gonna buy a breakfast in the morning.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Stay close on this. Wouldn't want you getting scratched by a squirrel or something.
Bear left here, towards Rhodes.
Now, I was saying something. Oh, yeah. That could put you out of commission for the rest of the year.
Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
Plus, I've still got some blood in me veins. You old bastards have forgotten how to live.
I blame you two for rescuing him.
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
Yeah, takes a whole army of bounty hunters to bring in Sean McGuire. And look at me now, in the gunner seat. Back in business, boys. You know, my dad always used to say...
Not the dog, please.
Not this again.
Fine, damn you three. Sulky, angry, scarface. A right barrel of laughs.
Yeah,
So, we block the tracks with the wagon, then jump 'em. That's the plan.
pretty much. Charles. You deal with the engineer. John, secure the passenger car fast. Take charitable donations.
Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this right, nobody needs to die here.
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, ha! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
I'll do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes. I need to get up there. Finish up here. Join us on board.
Hey! Go on! Get on there! Faster. All yours, Captain. We'll go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and nobody will get shot.
I'll do anything.
Go! Everything you got. Money, valuables.
Just put the gun down. I beg of you.
Getting robbed, mister.
There you go.
Give me everything you
Let's
got.
make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
Money? Nothing else. Make me hurt you.
I ain't got nothing. Want to have a
Maybe
little
what you
chat with
got,
Romeo
mister.
and Juliet
You
here?
won't get hurt. What's the problem here?
Please, don't
Money. Hey,
Don't
now.
do this.
Please.
Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Empty your pockets.
Okay, come on.
Okay. Be on
In the
your
bag,
way,
everything
damn
you
it.
got. Keep it coming. Don't be shy.
People like you make me
Gonna need
sick.
all your money,
You seem
my
to think
friend.
we're playing games.
You got a big problem. God damn it.
Oh, God.
Sick is better than dead, lady. I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can be over. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick. You boys need me.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Tough guy, huh? You sure about that?
Quick, come on!
Everything you got. Money, valuables.
Wasn't
We
gonna
ain't
rob
leaving till this
you.
bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my
Everything you
friend.
Don't
Don't
do it.
be... Money now! Bitch.
Come on, come it up, people. Don't be
Get
shy.
robbed, mister.
Everything you got.
Everything
Let's
you
go.
got.
What did I...
Empty your pockets, mister, and you can be on your way.
I can handle this from here. Check on Sean.
Okay.
Okay.
What is it? You alright?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
Fuck's sake.
Hey,
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
We'll take that.
Gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Are those tennis rackets in there? Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right?
I know, that's what's worrying me.
Come on, we should get out of here.
Some decent stuff.
All right, we should probably be going now. Arthur, we got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only two of you, you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberals.
Ed, there's a few more than turning up.
Man, my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
Last chance.
We got more under there. We got more coming from the trees there.
You're gonna die now, mister.
Get rid of them quick. We can make a run for it. Take it down.
Behind us! We got more of the bastards right now!
That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big tank, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine, see if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.
Morning, partner.
Hey there, mister.
Hey, stop right where you are. Time to die. I'm sending you to meet the Lord.
Good plan, fellas. Yep. Yeah. Easy there. Yep. Whoa, easy. Yep. There we go. Yeah.
Hey, partner.
Mister?
Fine morning, partner.
Try that again, tough guy. Hello. Now give me all your damn money.
What the hell?
Now, damn it.
You won't get nothing from me.
Hurry up or I swear.
This is all I got. Take it or leave it.
Are you kidding me? Go, you idiot. Okay. Yep. That's a good girl. Hey, have a... Easy there. There's a girl. Yeah. You done good, girl. Good girl. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Come on.
Oh, hey,
Yep.
it's been days.
Wait. Yep.
Good girl.
Yeah. Easy, girl.
Howdy. Here, girl.
Good job.
Good to see you've been feeding your horse well. Too well, maybe. I'm sorry, but we're out of free livery space at the moment. I can't give the full price if you've lost the papers. Bye for now.
Morning.
Went out